Doppler 12 Futurecast.
You can certainly feel the humidity out there, the abundance of clouds, the look of rainfall, and we're even tracking some additional showers that will likely pass through some communities here in the early afternoon. Watching some moving over Nantucket and Martha's Vineyard heading towards the Outer Cape, and then another batch of these showers that are crossing Long Island, eastern Connecticut right now that will be also trying to lift up to the north and east. So if you're out and about first half of the afternoon, certainly take the umbrella with you, and if you have after school sporting events, especially north and west of the Providence area, say north and west of 295. This is where you have the greatest chance of seeing a rumble of thunder in there. We're going to time this out to between, say, 4 and 9 o'clock this evening, with the greatest risk here of any storms that develop having some strong wind gusts, some hail embedded within them, downpours, and some lightning. Outside in Narragansett, all is fairly quiet. There is an elevated risk for rip currents at our coastline. The surfers out enjoying some of that higher surf. Our Warwick, Oakland beach camera has been very quiet today under the mostly cloudy skies and real hazy look in the air in Providence. 73 degrees, humidity's high, and the south-southwest winds at 12 miles an hour. We're still in the lower 70s Smithfield, 75 now in Boston, 72 in Taunton. Noticeably cooler at the coast in the middle 60s with those low clouds around. Dew points on the uncomfortable side here today. It'll drop a little bit for tomorrow, but more muggy air in places. Those temperatures rise later in the week. In fact, starting tomorrow, we have a stretch of days in the 80s. So this front's going to come through, and the main effect of it will be to drop our humidity. Lots of clouds, showers out ahead of that front. And our concern is right around in here. You can see in western New England where the clouds are starting to break. That's where our computer models are showing potential for some developing thunderstorms as the afternoon goes on. So here we are at 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can see this line of thunderstorms trying to develop in western New England. From there, we got to watch them as they move into eastern New England. We're thinking they're going to run into some stable marine air. The clouds overhead during the day today, that will actually help to weaken these storms. So I want to go from this wider view and show you at 5 o'clock this evening this closer up view. And again, this is just one computer model's take on the scenario, but I do like how they really weaken these storms as they try to push across Rhode Island and southeastern Massachusetts. So the risk for a thunderstorm is there, but it's fairly low. As we move through the night tonight, the clouds will be clearing out. We'll be back to sunshine when you wake up Wednesday morning, and a nice summer-like day on the way for Wednesday. This afternoon, spotty shower moving through next couple of hours, and an isolated thunderstorm late, making it to the middle 70s. Tonight down to 61, clearing, muggy and dry. Tomorrow's a breezy day, warmer and sunny with high temperatures into the low 80s away from the coastline. We have a passing shower at the beaches today. Air temperature around 70 degrees. There's a moderate risk for rip currents. And with the winds picking up this afternoon, a small craft advisory has been in effect too, starting right at noon and going through the end of the day. 7-day Futurecast. From a thunderstorm threat this afternoon and evening to sunshine, drier air for tomorrow near 82. Doesn't last long. We'll have another chance for a shower or thunderstorm on Thursday. It's a bright and dry start to the day, and it's late afternoon and evening that we could see that isolated shower or thunderstorm. Friday looks dry, and then another risk for some showers or thunderstorm on Saturday with some cooler temperatures. Seasonable, but 70s expected through the weekend.
All right, thank you, Michelle. And now a quick look at what we're working on.